Namaste. My name is Yana. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Belgium. And I just started practicing yoga 3 months ago in Australia, where I got free yoga from work. So that's how I started trying yoga. And I've been traveling to India before that for the past 1 year, where I learned a lot about spirituality, Hinduism, Buddhism, chakras, all these topics. And when I was in Australia, one of my friends was doing the teacher training, the yoga teacher training in India, and she told me that it's not at all about asanas, but it's way more. It's also philosophy, it's also about lots about karma, it's also about mudras, and not only asanas. So that's when my interest grew to do a yoga teacher training. And I super randomly found the Adishakti place when I was in Varkala itself. I didn't plan to come here, but my path just brought me to Adishakti, and it was really, really beautiful experience. I didn't think I would experience so many beautiful things with so many beautiful people. It's been a really, really interesting and very intense journey also, with amazing teachers who have given us so much, not only knowledge but also love, but also life lessons. So I feel like I've grown as a person the past month, and it's something that we will take with us for the rest of our lives. And yeah, I'm really happy I found the path of yoga. And I'm definitely gonna stick to this path because I feel like it's really my path. And I'm very, very grateful for the whole Adishakti team, for everyone who has made this experience so beautiful, for everyone, the teachers, but also the people behind the scenes, like the cook, Jitu. He's really amazing. He has provided us with beautiful food every day. And yeah, everybody who's just contributed to it. They've done a really amazing job, and I would recommend to everyone Adishakti because it's really the best place to do yoga. And I'm sure I will come back maybe for 300 hours or just to visit, but I'm definitely gonna keep learning from Adishakti, and we'll be like one family. Feels like we've made this connection forever, and I know that I will always be able to count on them. And yeah, I'm very grateful to be part of the family, the Adishakti family. So thank you so much. Namaste.